Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you the Xamarin tutorial. So getting started with the Xamarin, and just open your Visual Studio and click on the new project. That's actually I am working on Mac operating system, so that's look is the Mac Visual Studio. So select the Xamarin app and the applications title. Put that title according you. This is the getting started, how to start your Xamarin, how to code in the Xamarin. So this is the things I'm going to explain you. Okay, so you can check the packages are loaded. So just wait and just close it and reopen it, that window, if your packages are not uploaded. Okay, so there are, so accept it, the old packages are uploaded successfully. Now just after that, if you got errors like something, the red lines in that code, so just close your tabs and just reopen the activity file. Here you can check the name of the applications in the form of the label, and the main launcher, this is the true. I mean to say that that file is the first file to launch in your emulator as well as into your phone. Okay, so this is the main launcher, it's true. So lots of file available, or you can create in that project. So that file define, that is the first file to load first time. Okay, or you can say the set is the start file, and after that you can check that override method on create, and that is the file. You can check that definition also. Now there is the letter things, so I will explain in the letters. So that is the first thing you can learn it here, that is the set content. A set content is the available in, I mean to say that there is the design file. Where is your design file? How to set that file is linked with the design file. So that is thing, resource.layout.man. I mean to say that you can design it here and code in the activity.cs file. Okay, so there is the designer. Here we have only one button control and how to set that file. So this is the thing. Now after that you can handle that event by using click events, and that line is defined that how to access the controls, find view by ID. By using this you can enclose in the blocks. Actually you can access that control by using the blocks. Okay, so here we have a button control and the linear layouts. So in that after that, this video I will explain you the layouts of the Xamarin in Android Studio, sorry, in Android. Okay, so here we have a button control and the wrapping IDs and the layouts and many more things. I will clear you in the next video tutorial, because the layouts is more important to design point of view, because your applications is reliable and or you can say that's that design wise and look wise is must to have a beautiful. Okay, so you can these things. Okay, so that file is linked with the activity.cs file. It's only the one line, the set contents. Okay, so here we have a property window and the solution explorer also. That is the same thing in Visual Studio, ASP.NET core projects and ASP.NET MVCs. So there are the things, only the ASP.NET MVC do not hold the property window, you know very well, because that is the desktop type of application. So we have a property window, okay, in it here. So these things are clear. When we click on the button control, that means the clicks event handles. Okay, set content is clear. Now run their applications, and in emulator or simulator, you can say, both are the different, but you can calling that emulator and simulator also. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and if you want to learn Xamarin and Androids through my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, and share this video also. Don't forget this, please subscribe, and like this video if you like this video, and I will clear you one by one everything in my tutorials. I promise you, one by one you can develop a more reliable apps in Xamarin. Okay, web apps, desktop apps. I will provide you better video tutorials which is related to .NET cores and .NET and C#. Okay, so that is the emulator. There is your application will run after a few seconds, or you can say few minutes, because it's depend on your processing speed. So yeah, that is the first times you can it can take time. Okay, there is the functionality. When we click on the button, then is raise one click, or you can say increment in the count property. So the default is the assigned with the 1, and when we click on it, there is a changes in the button control. Okay, so thank you guys. Don't forget this, please subscribe my channel, and like this video. I will provide you the tutorials of the Xamarin one by one, and provide a project in handle the app controls. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.